Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dariano, and man, I got something crazy to show y'all. So I'm doing a review on a monitor. The monitor is a 40-inch monitor, but you will never guess the name. It's called an INNOCN. So let's get into it and let's see if it's good. So here's the box that it comes in. It says INNOCN on that boy. Look at it, INNOCN. All right. So it's 21 by 9, 144 hertz refresh rate, Delta E. I'm not exactly sure what that is. WQHD is 3440 by 1440. Talks about low blue light, and yeah, you see. So let's open it up and look at it. All right. So, all right. Got the styrofoam. It's packed in there pretty nice. Got your literature. Okay. Oh, it comes with color calibration, factory report. Okay, sweet. Report straight from the factory. Come with all your cables. Open it up and see what that is. And this joker is heavy. Oh, this must be the base. The actual base for it. Excuse my camera. It's quite wobbly. Oh, it's a heavy duty screen mount. This boy is huge, it's thick too. Okay, sweet. Set it over here with the rest of the gear. Here's the screen right here. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This boy looks sweet. That boy long. It's got all your buttons on the bottom. Excuse me, I got it upside down. Got your ports on the bottom. 2 HDMI, it's a display port. Type C USB and audio input. And you can actually charge from there, which is pretty cool. And then you got your ACN power for it. And then that's where that ginormous bracket goes, so we can mount the TV or put it on the stand. Alright, so I'm about to finish hooking it up. Y'all, right now it looks good up there. Screen is nice. It slides up and down, tilt it forward, backwards. It pivots, it turns to the left and to the right. So let's see how it look. Y'all, here's the final verdict. This monitor is nice. Can't believe it. INNOCN. So let's check out our program. See how my programs look on it. Y'all, look at this screen. This boy is huge. Man, look at all that screen real estate. So for music production, this is a definite yes. Edit window, I can mix it all up. Watch this. Let me shrink this a little bit. And let's do this. So y'all, give you an example of what this would look like. As soon as I can get my stuff to act right. Y'all, look at that. Look how much screen that is. Man, this is a thumbs up in my book, y'all. All the way thumbs up. So I'll put all the information in the description. If you want to pick one of these up, please do so. Also, when you order it from my link in the description, it helps out the channel. Yeah, guys, if you like it, pick it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Share with as many people as you know who's looking for a productivity monitor or music production screen. All right, y'all. That's it. I will see y'all in the next video. Later.